There's over $10,000 here. Oh my God. Oh, I can see it now. Come tomorrow, I'm gonna be like, Mr. Barnes, I'm not coming into work today, or tomorrow, or the day after that, because I'm here. I come! Oh my God!
Are you that stupid?
What?
Your boss, Mr. Barnes, is probably dead, and so are we if you keep that money.
Who cares if Domino is dead, okay? He's a corrupt club owner who peddled smack, and not to mention tried to rape me. And I pray the devil stick a pitchfork in his evil black ass right now.
What did we just see? What the hell did we just see? A man got shot 3 times and got right back up. What kind of cat does something like that?
A pretty powerful one.
No. Whoever this Mississippi black character is, oh, you best believe he's coming back. And when he does, we ain't gonna be here. So do me a favor. Go pack your bags. Leave the gravy.
Leave the gravy.
Let's get the first train down to Harlem.
Leave the gravy. You got money to give? Don't be acting all high and mighty now, Trip. Because you was locked up for 5 years. 5 years. Do you know how hard it was for me? Do you know? To keep my head up and to go work at that sleazy club where I had to be chased every night by these men, including my boss, Mr. Barnes. Don't talk about it. Gravy.
That money ain't free. Stash that. Give me the money. Oh. Money over, please.
Why is it when I heard the words arson and murder, your name came to mind? Trip, I hope you're not enjoying this, because that sure would take all the fun out of it.
Well, step and fetch it. Didn't anyone ever tell you when you come to someone's home, you address them?
Ma'am.
Spunky, I see why you two are matched the way you are. A punk and his overbearing wife. Now, Club Domino went up in flames last night, and his owner was burnt to a crisp. Now, I know you two were there, so talk.
No. My husband came to pick me up after work, nothing more. Now, whatever happened after we left, that's your concern, not ours. To take your 5 and dime suit and your ran over tired ass shoes and get the hell out.
You know, I love that spunk. You know, I don't hit women, but I have no problem smacking a bitch.
What?
Excuse you? You feeling brave, boy? Sit your ass down. The evidence that we found fit the pattern and the profile of a notorious outlaw named Mississippi Black. Now, does that name ring a bell, boy?
Y'all heard my wife. What happened after we left is your concern, not ours.
We going to the big house.
What?
Yeah. Maybe there you'll be more talkative. Get him.
Wait. Y'all can't keep coming in here and taking my husband away from me.
You know the drill. Let's see you sucker punch me this time.
And baby, don't worry about it.
What?
I'm gonna keep you real warm.
Get your hands off my. Get your hands off my.
Or what? Huh?
Don't worry, I'm gonna get you out, okay? Trip.
You hear me? Now straighten up. Straighten up.
Is this him?
Yes, sir.
Take off the cuffs.
But sir,
I said take off the cuffs. Seymour Trip Lewis. You've accumulated quite an impressive file over the years, boy. I see you've been in trouble ever since you could walk. What do you know about last night?
It happened before today.
If I were you, I'd lose the sass, boy. Help you out in the long run.
So are you going to cooperate? Or should I let these boys take you out to the docks and tune you up? What happened at Club Domino last night?
A lot of drinking, a lot of dancing, a good time.
So you just got out, and already you're drinking and dancing. I like this guy. Enough of this. I'm tired of playing games with you. I know that Mississippi Black was there last night, so talk.
Who's that?
Mississippi Black, AKA the Black Terror. He's wanted in 5 states for murder, arson, and extortion. But he murders them, robs them, and leaves nothing but ashes and happy poor folks in his wake. Now this guy, he coming back. And when he does, I want to know when and where he's going to strike. And since he doesn't know any of us here, we're going to assign you to work undercover for the department.
Hold on, boy. We give the orders and you carry them out. You got that? You hear something funny, boy?
We also know that Nathan Spider Harris was also in attendance last night. 2 of his goons are sitting on ice in the morgue. Till further notice, you're going to be working for the Philadelphia Police Department.
As what? A stool pigeon? Man, go ahead with that.
All right, listen, Coon, you're gonna do what you're told when we tell you to do it. We tell you to jump, you better already be in the air, and you're better left on the right foot.
Listen here, Mick.
Mick,
Yeah.
listen, Sambo,
O'Malley.
I will beat the song and dance right out of your black
O'Malley.
ass. Hey! We will finish this one, dude.
Anytime, Pounder.
Lewis, you're going to cooperate with us, or I'm going to make sure you never see that pretty wife of yours again. You want to spend the rest of your life singing and sweating on a chain gang? Keep trying my patience. I can make it happen. You know what this is?
It's a picture.
Oh!
This is going to be the last time that I repeat myself to you. Do you understand, boy? You know what this is, boy?
No.
You know, that's funny. Because it's the same symbol that's around your neck.
This picture was taken from the Domino Wall, right where we found the body and those other 2 dead jigs.
Look, I don't know nothing about what happened at Club Domino, and I don't know nothing about no pictures neither.
It's starting to smell in here. It smells like pig's feet and watermelon. Let's get the hell out of here.
I don't know, Captain. I kind of like watermelon.
How can a self-respecting colored man work for the potato and crackers, huh? You tell me that, huh?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! What am I supposed to do, huh? Huh? Be a shiftless nigga like you? Trip, you could change this community.
Change. You know, as far as I'm concerned, Mississippi Black has done more change than you and no sidekick ever have.
You are a hustler. Hustling leads to drugs, and drugs leads to murder. And last I do recall, there are a lot of unsolved murders right here in the city. Oh, and a few of them were white. So I'm sure the judge wouldn't care about a shiftless nigga like you. Yeah. Better not try nothing funny, boy. because you're going to go to jail. Yeah, so go home, get some sleep, and Stams will be over in the morning. Yeah. And remember, boy, I'm watching you, you porch monkey. Now get out of here.
Hey. It's me.
Baby,
Yeah?
I'm glad you're home.
Shoot, the way things are going, I'm back leaving again pretty soon. What was that for?
Don't talk like that. You're not going anywhere.
We sure as hell are. Cause them pounders got to be crazy if they want to work for them. Do me a favor. Pack a bag. Let's get the hell out of here. Mary Jane? Mary Jane? You okay? Mary Jane? Hey, what's wrong? You okay? What's that smell?
Opportunity.
So you found me. How'd you get here?
I know things must have looked kind of funny back there.
Funny. You look real good for a cat that took 3 shots to the body. Now tell me, how'd you get in here?
Say, what happened to that feisty wife of yours?
I don't know. But I'm sure you're about to tell me, right?
Oh, you think I will hurt your wife? She's so sweet.
Let's cut to the chase. What do you want?
The chance to lay my rap on you.
I'm listening. You want me to sit? I'm cool standing right here.
In any community of Negroes, you got 2 types of people. You got your colors and your niggas. Me, I'm colored. But you's a nigga. But I'm here so you can change all that. You got $10,000 back there. What you gonna do with it?
Let me get this straight. You rob a man. You kill him. You burn out a frolic pad and you call me a nigga. You know what? I don't want your gravy. As a matter of fact, I don't want to be around you. So do me a favor. Stay stashed in your seat while I go get it.
I don't need it, Seymour. You keep it. But you use it wisely. And thanks to me, that money won't be going in Spider's pockets.
First of all, don't you never call me Seymour. Spider dead?
Nah. But it's 2 flunkies? Yeah. I squashed them.
Like I said, I don't want your gravy. Okay? I don't want to be around you. So do me a favor and just leave.
Tomorrow night I'm taking down Sweet Tooth. And that notorious flesh pot they call the Sugar Shack.
That's real groovy. If you ever in Harlem, won't you drop me a line and tell me how it went?
Why would I do that when you're gonna be right there?
Come again?
I know what you do, Seymour. You're lying, you're cheating, Don't even get me started on your stealing and gambling. You're a disgrace. A disgrace to color folks everywhere.
So I guess you everybody's favorite Negro, right? You know, you're selling that one right there. I am color folks everywhere because there ain't no jobs. Now you tell me, where's the satisfaction in cleaning a place you can't get into unless carrying a mop and a damn bucket? I got a roof over my head. I got food on my table and clothes on my goddamn back. Who gives a damn where the money came from? Oh, but then again, I guess you everybody's favorite Negro, right? Man, get out of my house.
If not that, I'm close to it. Walk through them ghettos. Hear the folks whisper my name. Richmond, Baltimore, Wilmington, now Philadelphia. Before I showed up, color folks were in a bad situation. I got rid of them niggas, and I left the colors behind. This is my mission. This is my goal.
What if I told you I don't want to?
What if I told you I'd kill you?
Come again?
I could have killed you so many times in the past. I chose to let you live.
The past? Nigga, I just met you. What you talking about the past?
Damn shame what them pounders did to you and Beans.
How you know about that?
Damn pounders rod, Mr. Johnson. You think Beans' leg will ever get better? I was damn lucky that night.
You was there?
Like I said, so many times in the past I could have killed you. I know you want to go to Harlem. You want to play on that main kick, you do what I say do and you can go. You don't, you die. My deal's non-negotiable. You don't fit what I feel a color man should be. So I ain't asking you. I'm telling you, you could choose death or you could choose life right now. Think about it. Think how lonely it's gonna be for that fine dinner, Mary Jane. Cops and Oz. I'll be back in the brightening.
How many people gonna come in my house and tell me how I'm supposed to live?
Somebody else give you an ultimatum?
Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm just letting off steam, you know?
Nice necklace.
What you know about this?
I forgot. You're gonna be needing this.
What am I supposed to do with this? I'm a musician. I don't use guns.
Well, that ain't no horn, Seymour. So don't you blow on it.
Mr. Black. Pleasure seeing you again.
The pleasure is indeed all mine, Mary Jane. Let's worry about getting you up here.
Trip, would you look at this? If I didn't see it, I wouldn't believe it myself. Shot 3 times and living to tell the tale? Are you okay?
What you saw was a bad shot. You see, Domino's bullets never touch me. Say, I got to come by and hear that sweet, sweet singing voice of yours sometime.
Oh, you're such a gentleman.
Well, I got to be going.
Oh.
Seymour, See you in the brightening.
That was strange.
What?
I just let him out, turned my head for 1 second, and now he's gone. Man, strange man. Charming, but strange.
You know, if I ain't know no better, I swear you was gaming with him.
He's a gentleman. I mean, when he touched me, my whole body just shivers. I wish I could say the same thing about you.
Is that so? Well, I'll tell you what. How about I go to Harlem and you go to your mother's. Oops. I forgot. Your mother can't stand your loud mouth neither, now can she?
Oh, so now I got a loud
You
mouth.
talk too damn much.
Oh. Well, let's see the next time this mouth get loud for you. Think about that.
What y'all do? Trip. Y'all got jail for 5 years. What me say y'all bad boy out here?
What do you want?
The boss man want to see you. Your blood clot deaf. Me say the boss man want to see you. Now step. Welcome home, Seymour. I mean, Trip. I went to Club Domino last night to have a good time and came out 2 men short. Men like Tugboat and Bones are hard to replace.
I'm sorry about your loss, Spider.
I didn't forget about the money that you and Beans owe me for fronting that ridiculous moonshine operation. Bootlegging that shit from down south, huh? And just because y'all got pinched, don't think that that cancels your debt.
Look, I'm going to pay you back everything I owe you. I promise.
Oh, I know you're gonna pay me back, Trip. I'm not Father Divine. I don't give away nothing for free. Even beatings are earned, Trip. You know, you can pay me back by replacing the men I lost.
What?
You see, the way I figure it, Trip, you know what happened to my men last night. And that makes you responsible.
Hey, Spider, I ain't never killed nobody.
I didn't say you killed anybody. Something you want to share with me, Trip?
No.
That you and your fine wife sure left in a hurry. That's okay. You don't have to talk. I think it was Mississippi Black. And I'm going to deal with him accordingly. But as far as your debt is concerned, with interest and annual inflation, you guys owe me $10,000.
10,000? I didn't borrow that much to begin with. I didn't borrow that much to begin with. Come on, Spider.
You got a problem with my arrangement, Trip?
No.
I tell you what. You and your gimpy leg friend can pay it back by replacing the men I lost.
You expect me to be a hired gun?
And with your gimpy leg friend, I don't expect you to be dancers like the Nicholas brothers either. Well, you might be doing most of the work, Trip.
Look, I just got out of prison. I'm not trying to go back.
Fine. Give me $10,000 in 3 days and you won't have to. Otherwise, you better tell your wife to find another trumpet player to play taps at your funeral. In 3 days, I'm gonna follow up with you for my money, your services, or your life.
Wait a minute.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand. I understand entirely. Yeah.
Good. Now get the fuck out of here. Chappie. Jag har för money. Har jag ju mer kom för.